Eighth sum, write in standard notation. First one, here we need to read, isn't it? So I put commas 1 times 100. Sorry, here 1 times 100. Okay, here hundreds only 30 plus 3, isn't it? So in the mari round of numbers are kuduthirukanga, just we are going to add because we have addition symbol, isn't it? Fine. So what will our first work? We need to write with here 1 times 100, 1000, 10,000. So I start with 10,000, then 1000, 100, 10, 1, isn't it? So I enter the place value, then I will enter all the sum. So 30,000, then next one start with 1 times 100,000. So 1000 la dhan thodangudhu, so adhe 1000 la na eduthukuren 3000. So 1 times 100 la dhan thodangudhu illaya, so 100 column keela 300, then here 1 tens. So inge irukku, so be careful, here 1000. So inge 30, so start from tens column 30. Finally this ones column, so I entered in ones. Okay, now it's visible, isn't it? Fine. What is our symbol? Plus. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3, 3. Here also the same, 3, 3, 3, then 3. So 33,333. This is the correct answer. Come to the second sum. See here, we need to put comma, then it will be easy to read. 1 times 100, 1000, 10,000. Here lakh. So we need to enter the lakh column. Just I'll enter here. So lakh, then 10,000, 1000, 100, 10, 1. 1 times 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Clear? Fine. So I am going to enter the numbers here. It starts from lakh, isn't it? So I start from here 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros are here. Sure, it's a lakhs only. Clear? Okay. Then come to this 1 times 100, 1000. So 1000th column is this one, TH, isn't it? So I start from here. Okay. So that last one, this is ones column. So I enter in ones digit, 7. So what will be the answer? 0 plus 0 plus 7. Before that we need to put the plus symbol, isn't it? So 7 here, 0, 0 here, 7, 0, then 2. So 1 times 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So what will be the answer? 2 lakh 7,007. This is correct. Ninth sum, addition statement problem. So in the heading itself I have given addition and statement problem. But in this exam or in any revision test, we have simply this word problem only. Or they might given this number, this 980, 3,254 like this. And they ask you to add. But here it's a word problem. How can we define which is whether this is addition or subtraction? Okay, I'll give the hint. Let us read the question first. In a town panchayat, population of 5 villages are 980, 3,254, 4,125 and 687, finally 6,786. So இப்போ 5 villages ஓட population means மக்கள் தொகை. So ஒவ்வொரு பஞ்சாயத்துலயும் ஒரு பஞ்சாயத்துல, ஒரு டவுன் பஞ்சாயத்துல 5 villages இருக்கு. அந்த 5 villages ஓட population counting தான் இங்க கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? What is the total population? So இங்க totalனாலே நம்ம ஒன்று addition வரணும், இல்லைன்னா multiplication வரணும். ஓகேவா? Clear. Maximum for multiplication they might given two set of numbers, isn't it? But here we have 5, so sure it comes under addition only. So இப்போ basic நம்ம இதே மைண்டில் வச்சுப்போம். Clear? So how to write? Let us start with statement, because this is the statement problem. அவங்க statement கொடுத்தா sure we need to write with statement only. So I'll start with the answer. So number of first population, isn't it? So first village. Number of population in first village. I have entered in short form just to go through this. அதே மாதிரி number of population in second village. இங்கே ditto போடுறேன், but you must write all the answers. இங்கே number தான் எழுதணும். Then third. Clear? Then fourth. இந்த மாதிரி 5 times நீங்கள் எழுதியிருக்கணும். Then fifth village. Right? Okay. Let us arrange in proper place value. For that we need to check the place value. See here. இங்கே 1 times 100ல தான் தொடங்குது. So 1 times 100 thousands. So 1 times 100,000. Here also 1 times 100,000. Here 1 times 100. So which is bigger? Thousands only, isn't it? So we need to enter in thousands column first. 1000, 100, tens, 1. Right? So now I am going to enter all the populations. First population is 980. Right? So in the 980 தான் first இங்கே நான் எழுத போகிறேன், because that is the first village. நம்ம இஷ்டத்துக்கு மாற்றக்கூடாது. So I enter the 980 first. Start in 100 column. Then what is the second one? 3254. So அதையும் exact 3000 column start பண்ணோம். 254. Then come to the third. 4125. Just I am going to write here 125. Then last fourth population on the 687. Then final village 6786. So very important, plus symbol. I am going to find the answer here. Just add here 4, 0 plus 4, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 6, 22. Right? Bring above the tens digits in the tens column. Clear? Okay. Then we need to add all the tens column. Start from here. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Here 17. 17 plus 8, 25. 25 plus 8, 33. Clear? Right. So 3 here and 3 above. Then come, start from here. 3 plus 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15. Sorry. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 8. Sorry, 21 plus 7, 28. So 8 here, 2 here. Clear? Oh, fine. Now we need to add this one. 2 plus 3, 5. Sorry. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. So we got the answer. So 1 tens 100. Before I put comma, then I close it. So this is the total population. Got it? So 10th sum, subtraction sum. Okay. In this I'll explain this sum. See here, this was given in your book. Just I'll enter the place value first, because that's very, very, very important. Here, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Then after that what? 10,000. Finally lakh. right? So 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay. Now what to be done? We need to do the subtraction, isn't it? Okay. So there's no need. Fine. See here. For addition, we start from top to down, isn't it? Addition க்கு மேல இருந்து அப்படியே add பண்ணிட்டே வருவோம். Or 6 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9 அப்படி சொல்லுவோம். But here subtraction பண்ணும்போது என்ன பண்றதுன்னு ஒரு small confusion will become. So I select this method. That means கீழ இருந்து நம்ம after number சொல்ல போறோம். 8 after 8 will 6 come. 8 க்கு அப்புறம் 6 வருமாமா? Sure it not. So அப்போ this is the smaller number. Clear? So இப்போ இதை விட இது smaller number. Sure we couldn't subtract from 6. So I cancel this and enter the same 6 above. Then come to the tens column. So இங்கே கம்மியா இருக்கிறதுனால tens column வந்து going to help to ones column. இவங்க உங்களுக்கு help பண்ண போறாங்க. So from here I give 1 tens and then mark it round. Then what will be the answer here? 7 ல இருந்து 1 போச்சுனா ஒரு tens போச்சுனா 6. That means 60 is there, right? Okay. So இப்போ now it's easy. 8 ல இருந்து அப்படியே 16 வரைக்கும் count பண்றது it's easy, isn't it? So that will also come in your 9 finger itself because this subtraction sum. So அதனால single digitல தான் உங்களுக்கு கண்டிப்பா answer வரும். Sure it's not possible to get 2 digit answer. Clear? Okay. So now I'm going to find 8 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Clear? So இதே மாதிரி நீங்க fingersல count பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா so எத்தனை fingersனு பார்க்கலாம்? 8, isn't it? So 8 will come. Got it? Okay. Now 7 after 7, 6 will it come? No. So again 100 column is going to help here 100 and then here 2 will be fine. Now it's easy. 7 after 7 up to 16 we need to say for that. So after 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So 2 4 6 8 9. So 9 will be the answer here. Got it? Good. So again look at here. After 9 will 2 come? No, this is smaller number. So now 1000 column is going to help here. ஒரு 1000 இங்கே கொடுத்துறாங்க. So here we have 12. For our convenient only we are saying 12, 16, 16 like this. But here the place value of the here is 1200 is there. And the 1200ல தான் நமக்கு 900 cancel பண்ண போறோம் because this is in 100th column. Got it? Good. So இப்போ after 9 10 11 12. So how many fingers? 3. So எல்லாமே உங்க கைக்குள்ளே வந்துருச்சு இல்லையா? இது எல்லாத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு 8 கிடைச்சு then 9 கிடைச்சிருச்சு. இப்போ இதுல வந்து 3 கிடைச்சிருச்சு. கரெக்ட்டா? Okay. Now come to the before one. Here இங்க 8 ல இருந்து ஒரு 1000 ல இருந்து ஒரு 1000 கொடுத்துட்டோம் இல்லையா? Then sure we have 7000 only. இங்க 1000 தான் இருக்கு. See here both are same number. So 7 minus 7 sure it's 0. Clear? Okay. Now இங்க 10,000 இருக்கு. 4 10,000 இருக்கு. So 5 minus 4 1 because this is greater number. 5 is a bigger number compared to this number. Clear? So here we don't need to subtract any number. So I bring down the 1. So it's easy, I think. Let us see the fourth sum also. See here 0 0. It's ended with 0, isn't it? So that I will explain this sum also. Just listen carefully, ma. See here. As usual, same procedure. After 8, will 0 come? No. This is the smaller number. So let us focus on that first. மேல இருக்க number smaller இருந்துச்சுனா sure we couldn't subtract. So strike out and enter the 0 above. From here இப்போ before that we need to put the place value, isn't it? I forgot to enter 1 10 100 1000 10,000, right? So it's easy now. So இப்போ ones columnல நமக்கு 0 இருக்கிறதுனால tens column is trying to help here, but here also it doesn't has any value, so again 0 only. Clear? Okay, now 100 column is ready to help here, so strike out, and here 600 will be there. இங்க இருந்து 7ல 1 போச்சுனா 6 போய்டும், 6 இருக்கும். ஸோ இங்கேருந்து அந்த கொடுத்த ஒரு 100s வந்து இங்கே போட்டுக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ அப்படி தான் இங்கே 0க்கு முன்னாடி 1 போடுறோம். இப்போது நான் ஃபார் அவர் ரெஃபரன்ஸ் ஐ வில் சே 10. ஸோ இப்போ இங்கே 10 இருக்கும் இல்லையா? இவங்க என்ன பண்ணாங்க, இவங்க கொடுக்கலான்னு ட்ரை பண்ணாங்க இல்லையா? அதனால ஃபஸ்ட்டு இவங்க வாங்கினதுக்கப்புறம் இட் ட்ரைங் டு ஹெல்ப் ஹியர் இங்கே கொடுத்துட்றாங்க. 10லேருந்து 1 போச்சுன்னா ஹியர் 9. ரைட்? ஓகே, like this we need to do step by step. Okay, now it's easy. After 8, 9, 10. So what will be the answer? 2. So 2 is the answer here. Then come here, 3 ல இருந்து 9 வரைக்கும் சொல்ல போறோம். ஓகேவா? So after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So totally how many? 6, isn't it? So 6 will be the answer. Then after 5, 6. So only 1. Clear? Now here 4 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 will be the answer. There is no number to subtract, so I bring down the 8 as it is. Clear? So 85,162. Like a Hellcat.